In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a donation block or use the commerce feature on your website to set up payments and publish them effectively. This is a crucial tool for those of you looking to raise funds or sell products and services directly through your site, making it a straightforward process for your audience to support you. Let's dive right in and make this as simple as possible. To start, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the page of your website where you wish to place your donation block. Having a dedicated section for donations can significantly improve your fundraising efforts, as it allows visitors to know exactly where they need to go to make a contribution. Consider adding this block to your homepage or a specifically designed donation page, depending on how you want to drive engagement. Once you've determined the right spot, go ahead and access the design menu of your website's platform. Look for an option that says Add Block or Add Section. With modern website builders, this process is intuitive, with plenty of templates readily available. You're going to want to select something like Donation or an equivalent commerce section from the available options. This is the core of what will eventually accept funds from your supporters. After selecting the donation block, the platform will guide you through configuring payments. It's important here to carefully input the necessary payment information, such as your organization's financial details or your personal account if you're an individual fundraiser. Usually this involves linking to a payment processor like Stripe or PayPal, which are reputable and secure options frequently integrated into website platforms. Make sure you follow each instruction carefully, as any errors could impact your ability to receive funds. Once you've set up the payment processing, take a moment to personalize the appearance of your donation block. Customization will help you maintain the overall aesthetic of your website, and a visually appealing block can attract more donors. Change colors, adjust fonts, or add images, whatever it takes to match your branding. You might also include a heartfelt message or a call to action that conveys the mission or cause your donations will support. With everything set up and looking great, it's now time to publish. Locate the Publish or Save button generally found in the top right corner of your website builder interface. By clicking Publish, your donation section will go live, fully integrated with the rest of your site, and ready to start receiving contributions. Final important tips. Always go through a test donation to ensure everything is running smoothly. This helps you verify that payments are processed correctly and gives you peace of mind knowing your setup is successful. Encourage your community to visit your updated page and donate, spreading the word through social media or newsletters. And that's it. You now know how to add a donation block or set up commerce for receiving payments on your website. This tool can be incredibly powerful, helping you support your cause or grow your business with ease. Thanks for watching, and feel free to drop any questions or share your success stories in the comments.